my name is Steve with CloudRock, and in this video we'll walk you through the straightforward process of changing the owner of an individual record in Salesforce. This is essential when responsibilities shift or team members change. When you're done checking out how to efficiently manage your records, we have a video at the end that shares other things that you and your team can do to increase results and reduce spending on Salesforce. So we have a new program that pays you rebate dollars on your annual licenses, which you can invest in training and consulting. So check out that link to maximize or how to maximize Salesforce, and let's get started. First, from your Salesforce homepage or any related list, navigate to the specific record whose ownership you need to change. This could be an account or an opportunity or a case or any custom object record. Now, once you're on the record's detail page, look for the owner field, and right next to the current owner's name, you'll typically find a change owner link. Now click on this link to open the transfer window. Sometimes this might also be available as an action button on the page layout. Now a small pop-up window will appear prompting you to select the new owner, and in the new owner field start typing the name of the user or the queue that you want to assign this record to. Salesforce will provide real-time suggestions, so simply select the correct user or queue from the list that appears. Now you'll see a few optional checkboxes. If you want the new owner to receive an email notifying them about the transfer record, then click the Send Notification email box. For certain objects like accounts, you'll also have the crucial option to transfer related records. So for example, you can choose to transfer all open opportunities or cases, etc. That belong to that account. Now make sure to check the boxes for any related records that you wish to include in the transfer. Now once you've made your selection, simply click the Change Owner button. This pop-up will close and the record owner field will immediately update to display the new owner, and you've successfully transferred the record. And that's it. You've learned how to transfer an individual record in Salesforce. Mastering this will help you boost your productivity and properly manage your data, but we've just scratched the surface. On the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist, and I've also included a 5-minute video that shares 3 strategies that you can use to increase results and reduce costs. There's a new program called OSP, and it shares a new way to get rebate dollars from your annual Salesforce licenses that you can use for additional training and consulting. So please see the How to Maximize Salesforce video in the links. Spend a few more minutes with us of your precious time, and we'll help you take Salesforce to a whole new level in your company. Finally, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.